are prop firms really the end game for your trading? Is that really what your end goal is? Because yes, prop firms are there to make money from. And yes, people are making money from them. But is that really, and should that really be your end game? Now, I want to show you something in this video, something that happened, but it's something that happened to me today, but it might be a few days before I actually get this video out. Now, this is a trade that I took on FTMO. So this is my trade from here to here. Look to trigger the trade here, and then the trade is running down to take profit or stop loss or whatever it is. But that's not my point. The point is, in this video, the trade triggered here, and as you can see, I'm nowhere near this stop loss. Nowhere near this stop loss here. And yet FTMO have stopped me out of this account. They've stopped me out from this trade. So why? I've checked the stats, I've checked the logs, I've checked everything, and basically they've slipped me and taken me out of this trade. So if we come here, we're about 4 pips away. It's not spread. The spread was low. Like everything, there's no reason that I can see that I should have been taken out of this trade. I'm still in my live trade. I'm still on my live accounts. I'm still in this trade. And I'm still on this trade, on Funded Next, but not FTMO. Got 3 accounts that I had this trade on, and it's taken me out of that trade. So, a couple of lessons really to be learned from this. Should prop firms be your end game? I don't think it should be your complete end game. I think it should be part of your game, and I think it should be part of your overall strategy. But I don't think that prop firm trading should be your only goal. Now, my goal is I've got a live account that I trade, or a couple of live accounts that I trade. FTMO and prop firms are part of my system, part of my overall goal, because if I can make money from FTMO and Funded Next and whoever else along the way, then I'm going to take it, okay? I'm going to take what I can get from the prop firms while they're still around, while they're still legal, or, basically while they're still here for us to make money from. So while they're still around, I will be trading and hopefully making money from prop firms. But I'm going to take that money and I'm going to reinvest that money into my own live trading accounts so that I'm in control of my accounts. I'm in control of exactly what goes on, because things like this, where you're getting stopped out on a trade that in my mind I should never have been stopped out from, it just shows you how vulnerable you are and how open to, I don't know what the word is, how open to being screwed over by prop firms, because this is what they do. This is how they make money, okay? They slip you on trades. They make winning trades become losing trades. They do all sorts of underhanded stuff in my mind. It's underhanded. Other accounts, live accounts that I'm in, I'm still in this trade. So what's the difference? The difference is it's a prop firm. And you look at the charts, even on their charts, I've literally done everything. I've gone through the logs, I've looked through their charts, I've checked the spreads, I've checked everything. And there's no reason that this should have happened. So I guess the answer to my own question, are prop firms really your own game? They shouldn't be, in my mind. They shouldn't be. They should be part of your overall game, but they shouldn't be your end game. It's not a case of get funded, you're making all this money from prop firms and you've made it. Use it as part of your overall system. Make money, take money from prop firms that you can, and use that to fund your own trading accounts and actually grow your own accounts from there. That's what I would do. That's what I think. And things like this just highlight how vulnerable you are trading prop firms. So anyway, that's it for this video. I hope it's been helpful. And if you're not following my kind of challenge, my 10K challenge that I'm doing on FTMO, then make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can keep updated on that. And that's it for this video. And I will talk to you guys in another video real soon. Take care.